I was recently reminded of a talk that has been given in our it's called General Conference, that he talked about how building a testimony, and it's not necessarily one big thing that happened. It was just little rays of things that come, and those little things that build my testimony is reading the Book of Mormon, and just bringing peace to me on a certain day, or a certain topic that has brought peace to me, or when I see the beauty of the earth, and I'm around outside, and I get to see different things. It to me only testifies that there is a God, and that He cares enough to give us this beautiful world. That's one things that a little ray, or a little time when an answer to a prayer that has come that is small, but only meaningful to me. All those little times that I've had those experiences, they make more of this beam that I have come to understand that the gospel of Jesus Christ is true. And so that's probably, so it's not one big thing. It's lots of little things that have strengthened my testimony.